Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to choose security over here and tap on face unlock. Enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. Then choose setup at the bottom right corner, read the instructions and tap on next at the bottom right corner as well. Now, over here, click on the switchers next to one of those features to enable or disable them. When you're done, choose Next and tap Done. So now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!